Hello there guys, welcome to the Panna Cotta making video. Panna Cotta means in Italian a cooked cream. You guys probably have heard of a cafe con panna, right? Panna is cream and cotta sounds very similar, cooked. So let's get started. For 200 to 250 ml of liquid, we need 2 gelatin sheets in cold water. We're putting gelatin into cold water because otherwise they will just melt rather than soften. Put the gelatin sheet straight away into a hot cream and milk mixture. And set it to cool. Meanwhile, we're gonna be making some Oreo crumbles. Just put the cookies into a plastic bag, then press with something solid, like a bowl here. Put the container into a warm water bath first, then they will slide off easily. Some Oreo crumbles on top, some pistachio, and brown sugar to finish off.